Well, it's already 10:30. Good morning. The people have not called me yet, so I'm going to go up there and bother them and see what's going on with my visa. And I also got a slip in the mail yesterday evening. I could have went back up to the post office and got the box, but I really didn't feel like it. I had already went out twice, so I'm going to get that since it's, the Ministry of Interior is in the same place as the post office, so I'm just going to go ahead and you'll probably see me in 3 hours from now because it's going to take a while. An hour later. Another hour later. All right. Did you think I was kidding? This is my car. The blue one. Did you think I was kidding? Luckily, I can get in on this side. We went and got a package from the the post office. It's probably about 3 hours later. Yes, I had to crawl in. Look. That's as much as my door will open, and I cannot fit through that space. There's somebody leaving in Hadar's base, and another guy's going to take his place. And we're putting together a video for that person. And some of their family took video too. And there's this little boy. He's really cute, and I want to show it to. I want to show him to you. Look at him talking. He's so cute.
כמו האור בשמיים, אני רוצה שתצליח בתפקיד החדש. אני מאוד מאחל לך בהצלחה, שתהיה מנהיג טוב. אני אוהב אותך באהבה, עידן.
Okay, Hadar just left. I helped him, edit the video for his friends. 3 of them are leaving, so it was like a big video for all 3 of them. But I wanted to tell you how my appointment went today. I did get a visa, so I am legal right now. She wanted another passport picture from me, and I didn't have one, so I'm not really sure what she wanted that for. I brought one with me so she could do something with. But here's my visa. It's just a sticker. Permitted to work unrestricted until August 5th of 2014, and this one allows me to leave multiple times, number of entries multiple times, until 8/5/2014. So that's official. Remember I showed you the other day my ID picture where my face is much bigger. I was 70 pounds heavier in that picture. So here's my new picture. Okay, so there's my new picture on my ID. So finally I have a decent ID picture. Every picture I think I've ever taken has been me like 300 pounds. They didn't do anything to Rafael's passport, and the woman was like, well, he's not Israeli. And I said, he really sure is. And she said, no, he can't go to the doctor, yada, yada, yada. And I said, yeah, he can. And she said, you have to go to court. And I said, what are you talking about? You have to go to court so Hadar can be listed as the father. I was like, no, we've got this taken care of already. We didn't have to go to court. And I showed her that the baby had health insurance. The baby has an Israeli ID or passport, American passport, and he has a certification that he has dual citizenship. So, no, we're good. But they always like to confuse everything and just argue. They like to argue. It's what they do best. Here's Rafael's American passport. There's Hadar's hands, fingers holding him up. So yeah, we're all good. And you know what? It wasn't even that much trouble. It was trouble. We went in there and the woman's like, oh, you're coming from Beersheba, that place that we went, 3.5 hours north to get to. She's like, yeah, well, that woman didn't write anything down in the computer about your visit. And then, like, my face went numb because I knew that she was going to say, go away, come back in a week, we might call you. But she said, that's okay. Go ahead, sit right there. I'll work on it. No, I was just flabbergasted. I couldn't believe she was going to work on it. But then she told me after us being there for like 40 minutes and the baby, he wanted some food. Actually, he was going to go to sleep, and then people kept waking him up. They kept opening our door in our appointment. Everybody's in a hurry. They're impatient. That's what the deal is. So they kept opening the door, and Rafael was almost asleep, and they woke him up. Well, he started fussing, like, and not too bad, And she said, next time, get somebody to watch your baby because he's disturbing us. And I was like, no. I said, no, we don't do that. I don't know anybody here. Don't leave him with strangers. Thanks. No. Yeah, but Hadar is going to a party on the beach. I don't know if he's going to film anything. Actually, I'll message him and tell him to film a couple things. Kitty! Psst. This kitty's getting on the table. I don't like that. So I'll have Hadar film a couple things at the beach. It's going to be a big party. The video that we just did, has a bunch of pictures and music and stuff. Kitty on the table. My vlog is uploading right now. I had a whole bunch of trouble. Hadar had to take the computer that I usually edit videos on. So this video editor, it's the same exact one, but it doesn't work the same way. Of course it doesn't.
ביוטיוב? אני נהיה ביוטיוב? לא, מה פתאום? למה חלש? הנה, הוא ישים את זה ביוטיוב. משום אתה עושה כסף, אתה מבין? כן. זה מלחיץ? היי. היי, נשפריץ לך!